PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is your go-to provider for commercial furnace repair in Newtown Square, PA. We understand how important it is for your business to have a functional furnace, especially during the cold winter months. That's why we offer fast and reliable repair services to ensure your furnace is up and running again as quickly as possible. Our team of experienced technicians has the knowledge and expertise to diagnose and repair any furnace issue, no matter how complex. Contact our commercial furnace repair today. Are you looking for a commercial furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How long should a commercial furnace last? Commercial HVAC systems typically have a 15 to 20-year life expectancy if you do the recommended maintenance. What is a commercial furnace? Commercial gas furnaces are standalone appliances that provide warm air to cool a range of structures. Many commercial HVAC systems heat business rooms effectively and efficiently using readily accessible gas furnaces. What is your service area for the Newtown Square, Pennsylvania office? Our local commercial furnace repair have helped clients in the Newtown Square, Edgmont, Willistown, Gradyville, Sycamore Mills, Woods at Langford, Whitehorse, Willistown Woods, Berwyn, Media, Ardmore, Broomall, Malvern, Rushton Woods, Ashbridge, Pennsylvania. Where is your Newtown Square, Pennsylvania commercial furnace repair office located? We are located at 3545 Rhodes Avenue, number 203, Newtown Square, Pennsylvania 19073. Our phone number is 610-672-6526. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/ac-repair/Newtown-Square.